Silver just made an incredibly bullish move at a super key level that we were literally talking about yesterday on this channel and inside of Nordic Alpha. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader and I am the founder and obviously the head trader over at Nordic Alpha with a 91.5% live tracked and documented win rate on gold and silver in literally 2025. Now, I do believe that silver has upside here to, first and foremost, $93, right? Because that's our double top. And then $100 further than that. And I will show you exactly why I believe that. And I'm going to show you that with technicals and with the charts in just a minute. Now, the first thing I want to tell everyone, we were talking about these exact levels yesterday, and inside of the Nordic Alpha Private VIP Trading Academy, I actually gave out a long at this particular level that is absolutely smashing it right now. So if you want actionable levels, if you want my trade setups every day delivered to you, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is less than $1 a day right now. It is $29 a month, and the prices will definitely go up sometime in 2026. So get in where you fit in. We offer discounts for 3 months, 6 month, and 12-month memberships. So let's get into the technicals on this, right? Now, the first thing I want people to understand is so long as we stay above this double top high right here at about $82.72, we're super bullish, right? Now, why are we so bullish right here? And why did I give out this trade setup literally yesterday inside of the private VIP trading academy? Well, it's because this was going to be your 0.618 retrace. You also had your 4-hour market structure low right here. Okay, and we actually bounced from it exactly. $86.69 is exactly where we were at. And I actually kind of told people whenever this was happening, I said, hey, this happened, check it out, make sure you protect your trade, blah, blah, blah. And now you can kind of see where that trade is at. Okay, so let me show you exactly how that played out. So this was your 0.618 retrace at the time. Okay, then obviously this fib moved up a little bit and you still upheld that 0.618 retrace. And if you got in here, you are wildly profitable. You're looking to bring this up for an 11x risk to reward ratio right here. And worst case scenario, say you take your profits right here, that's a 5.6x risk to reward ratio. Absolutely insane trade given out literally live inside of the Nordic Alpha Private VIP Trading Academy yesterday. And all we had to do was uphold this, and we did, okay? And now, I kind of want to show you really quick from a market structure perspective what we need to do now. So as it sits, we are inside of the 1-hour structure. So there's two things that can happen. One, we either break this low at $86.13, or two, we break the all-time highs and we're headed up to about $100, okay? And I'll show you those targets here in just a second and why those are the targets, all right? Now, if we look at the 4-hour market structure, again, $85.78. So long as we uphold this, boom, and we did, right? We didn't even SFP it. I was hoping to get an SFP of that. We did not get it, but still great trade for anybody that was inside of the Nordic Alpha Wolf Pack, right? Now, the one thing, if we break down from the 1-hour structure, which is right here, and then we break down from the 4-hour structure, we do have support here at the double top, okay? But where's our next support? Our next support is way down here. Other than this right here, this kind of like low right here at $74, our next support is right at $70, which is your 12-hour market structure shift, okay? And that's actually, I believe, the low on the daily chart as well, right here, as you can see. Okay, so this is not where you want to go. So you really just want to uphold this level and bare minimum worst case scenario, the $81 level. And that is from this pivot point right here that you can see is a massive, massive pivot point, right? That has been upheld very, very well. Okay, so really all we have to do is over the next day or so, uphold about $80 and hopefully $82.50, and we are good to go. Now, if we do indeed uphold those levels and we continue this pump up, where could we be potentially going? Well, that's where I'm going to show you my proprietary range and range deviation tool that will show you exactly where that could be taking you. All right, so let's look at our all-time high to all-time high range. So first and foremost, we have our support here. We have our secondary support here, okay? We know that. We have our third support right down here at about 74 bucks. That is our second deviation zone. And no, I'm not gonna tell you what they are for free on a free YouTube video. These are proprietary, and these are things that are like, these are kind of like my trade secrets, okay? So our first target, $96 to $97 if we are to break and confirm above the high. What would I like to see? I would like to see us come up, break the high with a 1 hour and a 4 hour candle right here, close, come back down to this previous high right here, uphold that $91 level, leg our way up here, okay? No problem. Then find support at the new all-time high, wherever that is, if we are to get up here, and then leg our way up to the $100 to $101 range, and then further than that, I would like to then use this as support, and then get our next leg up, okay? Now, if that doesn't happen, and we are to break down, we would be coming probably somewhere around here, back testing this, coming somewhere around here, and then we would either need to break back above this level to start becoming bullish again, or we would probably get a continuation structure down to about that $70 range before you get your nice bounce at that 1 day and 12-hour market structure low, okay? Now, further than that, where else could we be going? Well, as you can see, if you take from the low to the high after our double top, you will see on this last leg of structure up, we could go to about $100, and then if our scenario plays out where we're like boom, 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 then we could be coming up here to about $106 to $109.50. That would be incredible, and that is what I would be looking to do if we are to continue our market structure to the upside. This is like market structure 101, very, very basic market structure. This is literally trading 101, okay? And this is just smart money concepts 101. Let's call it what it is. A good market structure looks a lot like what we're seeing right now, okay? Except for this, okay? This is not necessarily what we want to see, but it is very bullish that we saw that, okay? Now, what does good market structure look like? It looks a lot like this, okay? Where you have your low. Let me get this magnet tool off. You have your low, bang, you have a new high and your low, okay? Then you get your new high, okay? And this is your previous high. You come back, you back test that high, right? Then you get your new high, you come back, you back test the previous high. You get your new high, bam, you come back, you back test your previous high, right? You get your new high, you come back, you back test your previous high, and this is where you knew, okay, we might be breaking down, right? Because this was our support, this was our previous high, and now we've gotten under it, we used it as resistance, right? And then we legged back down. Then we came up, used our prior low as resistance, boom, broke back through, baby, broke back through, got a new high, used it as support, boom, legged up, right? Didn't even use the old high as support, we used the prior resistance as support, and then boom, legged up, again, using your old highs as support, boom, legged up, using your old highs as support, boom, legged up, using your old highs as support, bam, legged up, used your old highs as support, bam, legged up, and then lost your old highs, right? So now we are seeing that we are running into that resistance, but now we are bouncing from the support. So we need to just take out these highs, come up here, maybe reject, use these old highs as support, and then blast through the all-time highs. So that's kind of just a really quick tutorial of what bullish market structure looks like and how market structure can help you catch the trades that I am, kind of showing people in my trade setups inside of Nordic Alpha. So if that's something that you want, go ahead and get in where you fit in. It's $29 a month right now. It is less than $1 a day. Prices will go up in 2026, that I can assure you. If you want my 91.5% win rate to work for you, right? Because I think we took like 7 trades this week or something like that, which is that's out of the ordinary, right? Like you don't normally get like 7 trades in a week. Most of the time you'll get a couple of trades and you do pretty well. But with that being said, if you like content like this, make sure that you smash the like button. That's all I ask. Make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell so that you don't miss this analysis ever again. Hopefully I see you inside of Nordic Alpha very soon. I will be happy and ecstatic to have you in there, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.